Well, hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be looking at what's inside a 9-volt battery. So let's remove the external shell which is holding all the cells together, and let's see what's inside a battery. So let me quickly speed up the video. And as you can see, after minutes of struggling with this battery, I have successfully opened it. And the first thing which I noticed immediately, that this battery contains 6 cells of 1.5 or 1.5 volts each, which makes it 9-volt battery. And now let's quickly remove the anode and cathode terminals from the battery, and let's open this kind of silicone covered. At this point in time, I was very scared because I have heard that the battery contains lead, which is a neurotoxin. And as if that was not enough, it also contains mercury and cadmium, which is a heavy metal and very super harmful for your health. And as if that was not enough, I have heard that heavy metal poisoning such as lead, arsenic and cadmium can cause blindness and serious central nervous system damage, which can lead to paralysis and eventually death. Even though I remember back in my childhood days, I used to break the batteries and look what's inside and open up and see what's inside, but now I know what those chemicals are capable of. I'm scared and my hands are literally shivering. Well, coming back to the point, as you can see, this is that black chemical which I was talking about, and it holds all the other liquid chemical which makes this reaction possible. And as we all know, battery is nothing but two different metal, anode and cathode, which is dipped in a chemical solution. As you can see, the chemical which they have dipped in is dried up, which explains why this battery is dead and no longer functional. As you can see, it's dried up. When you open a new battery, you will find wet chemical inside it, which I don't recommend even doing it bare hands. At least I don't recommend touching them with your bare hand. And do not open a new battery or a live battery while it's running, because when this battery is running, it releases toxic fumes which is super harmful for your respiratory tract. As you can see, that might be the reason why they have sealed it inside this silicone kind of thing, which explains why they have sealed it. As you can see, those two different metals we were talking about, as you can see, this might be zinc or probably zinc plated stainless steel. So basically they use two different metals. At this point in time, I terminated this experiment because I was so scared that I saw this powder was leaching into my skin. I thought this skin might absorb it and cause heavy metal poisoning. So I terminated this experiment. And thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen.